Today's day 2. We're gonna go to the beach resort, beach park. Go to Blizzard Beach, but we gotta take the Animal Kingdom transfer first. Transfer here to Blizzard Beach. Okay, we're here at the Blizzard Beach. This is the beach house. We're gonna get some complimentary towels because we're resort guests. So Daddy, did you have fun?
Yeah. Boom. Boom.
Eating roasting marshmallows, complimentary marshmallows from the hotel. Yeah. Okay. Night 2, Epcot. Try to go on Guardians of the Galaxy tonight. There's a whole bunch of other stuff.
And she's like, oh yeah, that is cool.
Hello friends, welcome back. Can I have you right up here, buddy? Right up here.
Like a second. No way.
Sensory labs. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your tour truck. Keep a watchful eye on your children and Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nadia Channing.
Smell, touch, cookie cookie go, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight. Okay. But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train.
Sound. Your mind has wings.
Continuing now, if I may, in a calm, scientific, figment-free manner.
Imagination works best when it's set free. Just turn your imagination loose and anything can happen.
Figment? Oh, he's gone.
Come into play? I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll!
Oh, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose is nose. Now, here's a real open house. Come on in.
Imagination is just turning your thinking. Come on, it's time to get back to the institute. can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Hey, this time we're actually gonna ride it.
Alcohol.
Another no wait line.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, please supervise your children and refrain from flash photography.
All of these are open. There's something that isn't open, and I can't figure it out.
Now, sit back, relax. The richness, the diversity, the often surprising nature of living with the land. Cover only a tiny portion of Earth, but they contain more than half of its very different, no less beautiful than the system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The American prairie once appeared as desolate as a desert, but over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create.
Doggy or kancha?
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects: the need to produce food.
By developing and planting crops that thrive on salt water. In Japan, we're learning.
Maintaining these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times. Welcome to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from Epcot. For some, it's difficult to imagine the holidays without winter and snow. But one of the most important holiday crops actually grows in the tropics.
Oh, there's ginger back there.
For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao and fish, but seafood is a central part of many festivities. In the parts of Southern Italy, family and friends gather once a year to celebrate the Barbecue, the seven-course seafood dinner. Tilapia, bass, and shrimp, like the ones raised here, using sustainable water systems, make up a simple system during this period. Citrus, like the oranges grown here, are common in Florida, but in Northern Europe, where fresh fruit is rare in winter, they're much. They say it's better to give than to receive, and in this greenhouse, we're celebrating the holidays by behind the scenes talking to you. It's a chance for the whole family to get up close and personal.